Hi, I'm Marianne. I'm a RenuKrete customer and I'm from Eatontown, New Jersey. The pool deck before RenuKrete was very tired and old looking. It was the original concrete and was very much in need of a facelift. Before reaching out to RenuKrete, we had been thinking about doing something with the pool deck for several years, looking at all the different options. The reason that we chose RenuKrete was having looked at all the options and the work that RenuKrete had done for other customers, it looked like it would be the perfect fit for what we were looking to do for our pool deck. RenuKrete offered the opportunity to give the pool deck a facelift without a complete replacement. My reaction the first time I saw the pool deck after it was finished was I could not believe the difference it made. It looked fabulous. In terms of how the pool deck has held up over time, it's been about 5 years since we had the work done, and it still looks great. It's really changed the way that we've used the backyard and the pool. The backyard is much more inviting now over the last 5 years. We try to get out here as much as we possibly can when the weather allows, especially during the warm summer months. And it makes me feel very much more comfortable in hosting people, and people enjoy spending time back here. We've had a number of comments on how beautiful the pool area looks. I absolutely would recommend RenuKrete to friends, neighbors, family, and the reason why is because they can transform your pool deck. If anyone's on the fence about getting RenuKrete installed, I would tell them to do it. You will not regret it. I'm so pleased with the process and with how well everything's held up over the years, and RenuKrete has been nothing but professional and a pleasure to work with.